Every time Barbara sits at her vanity, I can't help but wonder, why? She's slathering on that eyeliner like it's a life or death situation. I mean, I'm a cat. I don't care if she's going for the smoky eye or the natural look. I'm just sitting here wondering what for. All I really want is a full bowl of kibble. She spends more time perfecting her pout than I do perfecting my nap spots. And let's be honest, I'm the real star here. I'm the one who catches the sunlight just right and makes the room feel like a catwalk. But no, she's busy with her brushes and palettes. Barbara, sweetie, I don't need you to look good for me. I'm already impressed by your ability to open a can of tuna. Now, if you could just focus on filling my bowl instead of filling your face, we'd both be a lot happier.